Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of G Suite, a powerful set of productivity tools designed for individuals, teams, and businesses. Whether you are a student, professional, or entrepreneur, G Suite can revolutionize the way you work. So, let's explore its features, services, pricing plans, and learn how to create an account. What is G Suite? G Suite is a cloud-based productivity suite developed by Google, offering a comprehensive range of tools and services to enhance collaboration, communication, and productivity. It provides an efficient and streamlined way to create, edit, store, and share files online, making it an ideal solution for both personal and professional use. Features and services. G Suite encompasses a wide array of services that cater to various aspects of productivity and collaboration. Let's take a closer look at some of its key features. Gmail. G Suite provides a professional email solution powered by Gmail, allowing you to use a custom domain for your email address and providing ample storage for your messages. Google Drive. With Google Drive, you can store, access, and share files in the cloud. It offers generous storage space and supports various file types, including documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Google Docs. Collaborate with team members in real time using Google Docs, a powerful online word processing tool. Multiple users can edit documents simultaneously, making it easy to work together on projects. Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a cloud-based spreadsheet application that enables seamless collaboration, data analysis, and visualization. It offers a range of features, including formulas, charts, and conditional formatting. Google Slides. Create stunning presentations with Google Slides. This service allows you to collaborate on presentations, add animations, and easily share your work with others. Google Calendar. Keep track of your schedule, appointments, and meetings with Google Calendar. You can create events, set reminders, and invite others to join your events, enhancing team coordination. Google Meet. Conduct video conferences, virtual meetings, and online classes using Google Meet. It offers high-quality video and audio capabilities, screen sharing, and integrated chat functionality. Google Forms. Collect information, conduct surveys, and create quizzes using Google Forms. It provides a user-friendly interface for creating custom forms and analyzing the responses. Creating an account. To create a G Suite account, follow these steps. Visit the G Suite website and click on the Get Started button. Select the appropriate plan based on your needs. Enter your personal and business information, including your domain name. Customize your account settings and select the number of user licenses required. Review and agree to the terms of service. Make the payment for the chosen plan. Set up your account by following the instructions provided. Pricing and plans. G Suite offers different pricing plans to accommodate various requirements. The most commonly used plans are: Basic plan, priced at $6 per user per month. This plan includes 30 GB of cloud storage per user, business email addresses using your domain, video meetings, and access to all G Suite applications. Business plan, for $12 per user per month, you get unlimited cloud storage, or 1 TB per user for fewer than 5 users, enhanced security and compliance features, and advanced administration controls. Enterprise plan. This plan offers a comprehensive set of features tailored for large organizations. It provides advanced security, data loss prevention, data region controls, and other enterprise-grade features. Pricing is available upon request. Conclusion. And there you have it, a detailed overview of G Suite, its features, services, pricing plans, and how to create an account. G Suite empowers individuals and teams to collaborate effectively, streamline workflows, and boost productivity. So, whether you are a student, a small business owner, or part of a large enterprise, G Suite has the tools to supercharge your productivity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.